The dream of opening a restaurant remains alive for countless Americans across the country. So, let's walk through the steps on how to open a restaurant. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important topics that can help you thrive as a business owner. Step 1 is to create your concept. Decide what type of restaurant you want to open. Consider the cuisine, service style, and your target audience. Make it unique, but also marketable. The next step is to write a business plan. This includes your mission statement, market analysis, sample menu, hiring strategy, and financial projections. It's your restaurant's roadmap, so make sure it's comprehensive. Step 3 is to find a location. Your restaurant's success can be highly dependent on its location. Accessibility, visibility, and the demographics of the area are key factors to consider. Next, you will need to obtain funding and licenses. This can include loans, investors, and personal savings. And remember, you'll also need to obtain the necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. Step 5 is all about designing your layout. Keep in mind the aesthetics, functionality, and safety regulations when creating your space. The next step is to hire and train your team. From chefs to servers, make sure they understand your vision and can provide the best customer experience. Cut to a person tasting various dishes, adjusting recipes. Step 7 focuses on developing your menu. This is the core of your business. Make it appealing and make sure your kitchen can handle it efficiently. That brings us to Step 8, marketing your restaurant. From social media to local press, get the word out there. Remember, the National Restaurant Association estimates that, on average, 15% of a restaurant's revenue is spent on marketing. And last but not least, we have Step 9, opening your doors. This is the moment you've been working towards. Remember to be flexible and adaptable. Every day is a learning experience in the restaurant business. Opening a restaurant is a rewarding yet challenging endeavor. But with the right planning, you can become part of the 20% that celebrate their 5-year anniversary. Remember, every big restaurant chain started with just one location. Your dream restaurant might just be the next big thing. This is your journey towards consistent profits. Make it count. If you need cost-effective help with licensing and registering your restaurant, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of opening a restaurant? Which step seems the most challenging for you? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.